Wood snake. A species of wood snake that wasn't seen for 140 years has resurfaced in a survey conducted by scientists in the Meghamalai Wildlife Sanctuary. The species, endemic to the Meghamalai forests and the Periyar Tiger Reserve landscape. Related information. Meghamalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Meghamalai Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in the Western Ghats in Theni district, Tamil Nadu. It can be an excellent buffer to the Periyar Tiger Reserve and Grizzled Squirrel Wildlife Sanctuary. It is the home of rare Great Indian Hornbills. The sanctuary is also home to the endangered, arboreal grizzled giant squirrel.